How to manage voice language on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage voice language on Google Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here in the top corner and then click this one, settings, and now click this one, voice. And here you will find this one, languages. Click on it and here you can select anything you want and then just click save and it will be saved. It's easy of course, and that's how to manage voice language on Google Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.